My purpose of coming to GOA was to pay a courtesy call on the Commissioner of Police and to discuss, to convey the challenges of the Nigerian community in GOA as they let us reported to us in the Nigerian High Commission, and to seek to establish a line of communication between the leadership of the Nigerian community in GOA and the police through the commissioner. And that visit was facilitated by the West African Division of the Ministry of External Affairs. So that's why I came. Now, we have seen him and we are now briefing the Nigerian community as to the outcome of that. Director General of Police, yesterday I took the leadership of the Nigerian community in GOA here, and he received us very graciously, and we discussed very candidly about those challenges